Hey everyone! Do you like tomatoes as much as I do? I'm thrilled to share my love for one of the most versatile and beloved ingredients in the culinary world. Let's talk about tomatoes, those juicy red wonders we can't get enough of. They add a burst of flavor and color to any dish. From simple salads to rich sauces, tomatoes are the heart and soul of countless dishes around the world. They can transform a meal from ordinary to extraordinary. But have you ever stopped to think about where these beauties come from and how they became such a global sensation? Tomatoes are surprisingly versatile, with a rich history that dates back centuries. Whether you're craving a refreshing salad, a comforting bowl of pasta, or a zesty salsa, tomatoes can do it all. They are the ultimate ingredient for any cuisine. There's a perfect tomato out there waiting to be discovered. From heirloom varieties to the classic red, each type offers its own unique flavor and texture. Get ready to explore the fascinating history, amazing varieties, and incredible health benefits of the mighty tomato. Join me on this delicious journey and let's celebrate the tomato in all its glory. Our tomato tale begins centuries ago in the sun-drenched lands of South America, where the story of this humble fruit first took root. The ancient Aztecs were the first to cultivate these fruits, calling them tomato. They nurtured them with care, recognizing their potential. They believed tomatoes had magical properties and even used them in religious ceremonies, integrating them deeply into their culture and daily life. Imagine that! When Spanish explorers arrived in the Americas, they were captivated by these vibrant fruits, unlike anything they had seen before. The explorers were so intrigued that they decided to take tomato seeds back to their homeland. They brought tomato seeds back to Europe in the 16th century, and from there, tomatoes began their slow but steady conquest of the world, spreading across continents. At first, Europeans were hesitant to eat tomatoes, believing them to be poisonous. They were often grown as ornamental plants rather than food. Thank goodness they came around. Over time, tomatoes became a beloved staple in European cuisine, transforming dishes and adding vibrant flavors. Tomatoes come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the classic red beef steak tomato to the tiny sweet sungold, there's a tomato for every palate. Heirloom tomatoes, with their quirky shapes and intense flavors, are a real treat for the senses. Have you ever tried a green zebra tomato? What about a black crim? Each variety has its own unique taste and texture, adding a special touch to any dish. Experiment and discover your favorites. Packed with goodness. The Nutritional Powerhouse. Tomatoes are not just delicious, they're also incredibly good for you. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, tomatoes are like little nutritional powerhouses. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Eating tomatoes regularly has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. So next time you reach for a snack, make it a juicy tomato. Your body will thank you. Tomato Smackdown. Finding the perfect tomato for every dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, choosing the right tomato can elevate your dish to new heights. Now for the fun part. Choosing the right tomato for your culinary creations. Each type of tomato brings its own unique flavor, texture, and color to the table. For salads and sandwiches, nothing beats a juicy beefsteak tomato or a colorful heirloom variety. Their rich flavors and vibrant colors make them a standout choice. Roma tomatoes, with their firm flesh and low moisture content, are ideal for sauces and pastes. They cook down beautifully, creating a thick, flavorful base for your dishes. Cherry tomatoes, bursting with sweetness, are perfect for snacking or roasting. Their small size and intense flavor make them a versatile addition to many recipes. And let's not forget about sun-dried tomatoes, which add a concentrated burst of flavor to pizzas, pastas, and dips. Their intense taste can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. With so many options, the possibilities are endless. From fresh to dried, each tomato variety offers something special. So, get creative and experiment with different types to find your perfect match. Get cooking! Sharing the tomato love. There you have it, folks. The tomato, a culinary chameleon with a rich history and a whole lot of goodness to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your local market, pick up some fresh tomatoes, and get cooking. Share your culinary creations with friends and family, and don't forget to spread the tomato love. From simple salads to gourmet masterpieces, the humble tomato never disappoints. Happy cooking!